Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the High Level Queen, and today we are going to be talking about how to set up conversation filters in HighLevel so that your leads don't get lost and so that your team knows who they need to reply to. So let's get started. So for those of you guys who don't know, we actually have a free Facebook group called Marketing Agency Automation Secrets, where we give away hundreds of dollars in free trainings every single week to our members. So click the link below to go check that out. Okay, so don't you guys just hate it when you go into the chat and there's like a million messages and you don't even know where to start? Well, recently there's been a filter added into HighLevel so that you can filter your chats like this. But there's a little caveat to this. It's not just as simple as clicking my chats, because if you have not been using the assigned leads feature, then nothing is going to show up here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you guys how to do today, and we're just going to have 3 easy steps here. So the first thing that you need to do obviously is to make sure that you're using the assigned leads feature. You are going to have in your settings and your team management, you're going to have all your users in here, right? So you can assign leads in several different ways, okay? So one is inside the trigger itself. And let's just say that I've got a trigger, and whenever a lead comes in, we're just going to say like a form is submitted. Then what you can do is you can assign it to a user in the trigger like this, okay? And then this only applies to assigned contacts. That just means it's not going to override. So if it's already assigned to someone, it won't override it, okay? So that's one way to assign the user to a user. Another way that you can assign it to a user is in the campaign itself. So let's say that I've got, let's just open an appointment reminder. You can actually assign the user in the campaign configuration here, okay? Or the third way, you can do it manually, which is kind of a little bit more labor intensive, but you can open the user and you can assign it this way. So you're going to click assign to, and then you can assign it up here, okay? Now, if you haven't been using this and you want to do this in a bulk way, there's not a way to do that natively from the smart list yet, but something you could do as a workaround would be to set up a trigger that said that when the tag is added, then assign them to a user. So you set that trigger up, you turn it on, and then you go into your contact smart lists, you select all the records, and then you add the tag. When you do that, it will assign all of those users to you or to whomever you want to assign them to, with the caveat that it's a bulk thing, so it's actually going to assign them to everyone. But if that's what you want, then the filter really isn't going to be super effective, but that would be how you would get the filter to work in that case, all right? So once you have that assigned, and I'm just going to do this real quick, I'm going to assign this person to me, and then I'm going to go over into conversations, and I'm going to click my chats. So it's not showing up because the person I chose doesn't have a conversation history. So if the person that you assign doesn't actually have a conversation history, it's not going to work. So I'm going to pick this person. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and go to my chats. And now you can see that this person shows up under my chats, okay? So that one was super easy. That's how you use the new conversation filters inside of HighLevel. And if you don't already have an account, you can get a free 14-day trial. And on my bonuses, using the link below, Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from me, and I'll see you guys next time.